So, yep. Okay, so it's profitable. Yeah, it's closed. Hello guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael, trader, and I'm a professional trader in the field of Forex and binary options. So today, as always, I'm going to tell you how to make millions of this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Let's proceed to work. What do we have? First, currency pair that we are trading right now, it's Audi CHF. Let me draw for you the flat channel so that you can clearly see what we're going to do. As you can see, price is moving in the middle of it right now. We are trying to hit the upper edge of it. It's almost done. Let me change. Okay, so the first trade that we have opened is a sell position. We have invested $150 in it. Still, we have around $350 left on the account. Why did we do it? According to the current situation, we were hitting the resistance line zone, and we started receiving the pullback reaction from it. So that's why we have invested $150 here, and we are receiving a good reaction from the zone. Now the price is going to hit the bottom line of the channel, and if we succeed to do this, then this will be a very nice trade. Moreover, if we break through the bottom line of the channel, we will get the stop losses of the buyers, and this will be our additional fuel for the continuation of the current drop. And as you can see, we have already made a new local low, so that's why we can be sure about our trade. No, anyway, we just have around 15 seconds left, and our entry point is absolutely safe, so this trade will be anyway profitable. Just several seconds left. Yeah, it's closed. We closed it with profit. We have $638 on the account right now. Audi NZD, here we're currently moving in the upgoing channel. As you can see, the current position of the price is that we are above all the moving averages. Let me change our investment from $150 to $250, and let me open buy position, because I'm almost sure that we will receive a nice pullback reaction from the highest moving average, and from here we will continue growing. Now we are trying to retest the resistance line zone from which the last time we received the pullback reaction. Now we are already ready, we are almost ready to make the new local high. We're almost done with this. Now we are retesting the moving average once again. So the price is a little bit stuck. Just a moment, my friends. Let me see what will happen. The price is just staying on the same place, but for now we're in profit. A very risky trade, to be honest. Please. Okay, so it's profitable. We have $868 on the account right now. Let's proceed further, my friends. Okay, so here we're checking AID CNI. We have already changed our investment to $300, and I think that we will continue buying these assets, pushing the price higher, because according to the current market structure, the price is above all of the moving averages, and we are continue growing. So that's why, of course, I bought this asset, investing my $300 in it. So it's done. Let me check what will we get from here. We have around 35 seconds for this. Okay, it's done. We have $1,144 on account. This trade was also a profitable one. Now we are ready to proceed to the CHF GPI. Here we are moving in a slight downgoing channel. Now we're hitting the trend line, the downgoing trend line. Let me set our investment to $400, and let me open buy position. Why did I do this? At first, this looks like a trend line of the downgoing channel from which we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction. But let us pay attention to the Vortex indicator. According to the Vortex, the green line has just crossed the red one, and that means that we are currently in the beginning of the buy zone. So that's why we can be sure that price was moving in the downgoing channel for quite a long time, and at least we need to show the short-term upgoing correction. So that's why we have opened buy position, expecting such movement, investing our $400 in it. So let's see what will we get from it. I'm sure this will be quite a nice and profitable trade. Well, let me change our investment from $400 to $500, and let me open sell position here, I think. However, we are currently above all of the moving averages, and according to the Vortex, we're in the buy zone. Okay, let me open buy position anyway. Let's try this. By the way, guys, while you are watching this video, don't forget to open description to trades and subscribe to my private TG, in which you'll get access to the best trading signals, analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become a professional, experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you'll get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time. Do this right now and bear with me. Link in the description. Well, so we still have around 20 seconds until the time runs out, and we will see what will we get from this trade. So, yep, once again, it's a profitable trade. We have $2,000 in the account, and we still have money for one more trade for today. So, let's do it. Here we are moving in a slide. Once again, Euro TRI, we are moving in a slide down going channel. Very easy one. Let me change our investment to $900. And let me open, I think, let's try to open buy position. Anyway, we're in a good profit right now, and if we succeed here, we will get much more. So let's do this. Let's take some risk. Let's take some small risk in this trade. Okay, so we have $2,800 on the account right now, and this is really amazing. So, oh my god, we have multiplied our balance more than 20 times more just within 7 minutes. So if you want to have the same kind of results, it's absolutely possible, and all you need for this is just right now to open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG. So see you all, guys, and bye.